Love pasta? Okay, I'll show you how to make 10 types of stuffed pasta home just in 4 minutes. Ready? Let's go! And we'll start with Fagotini, begin by making a simple pasta dough, flour and egg. I use spinach dough. Roll it in thin, then cut into squares. For the filling, mix ricotta and Parmesan cheese. Place your filling in the center. Now, pinch the corners to form little bags. Easy, right? Next, we have a classic tortellini. You have already cut it square, add the filling, and fold into ring around your finger, and pinch the edges to seal. Cappelletti, a big half-moon filled pasta. Fold the dough and seal the edges well. Perfect. Next, let's make Triagnolli. These are triangle-shaped pasta, perfect for rich filling like ricotta and spinach. Fold your dough into triangles, add the filling, and press the edges to seal. Let's make also tortelli. Fill squares of dough, seal the edges, and that's it. Making casoncelli. Put the filling, fold your dough, and seal the edges tightly. That's it. Caramelle are like little candy wrappers. Place your filling in the center, then twist the dough to seal the ends. And you see the perfect shape of caramelle. Dopio ravioli. Place filling on the both sides. Fold it from each side to the middle. Press down edges to seal and cut by knife or cutter. Allora, agnolotti are like little pockets. Place your filling in the center, fold your dough over, and seal the edges. That's it. And we'll be making the next cappelletti are little hats. Fold your dough into triangle, then bring the edges together to form the head shapes. And here we go. Here's another option for your tortellini. Just look at this, fold and seal. Enjoy. Saccetti are little bags filled with cheese or wedges. Pinch the dough into a pouch and tie it with twine. That is 10 types of stuffed pasta you can make at home. Try them all and let me know your favorite. And quick tips. Cook in salted boiled water for 2-3 minutes. Pair with your favorite sauce like butter sage, tomato or creamy alfredo. Buon appetito!
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.